As the world pays more attention to labor safety, a new type of stable and smart riveting machine has been developed.培祐Company Limited is an agent for the automatic riveting machine NC618. In response to the needs of users, the modular automatic feeding system is equipped to increase production capacity. The machine is also equipped with an easy-to-operate display panel. For different types of materials and rivets, NC618 provides computer-recommended pressure valves for the operator to get started easily. The vibrating tray will automatically turn rivets to the right side before entering the feeding system, avoiding the limitation of controlling the direction of rivets in traditional machines. NC618 is equipped with a dual-pump AC hydraulic system, achieving both energy-saving and pressure-stabilizing effects. It adopts a safety design to prevent hand-crushing hazard, allowing users to operate in a sufficiently safe environment. For non-conductive materials, NC618 can be operated under a safe mode, which uses two-stage riveting to ensure the safety of the operator. NC618 can accurately control the pressure needed for different types of materials and rivets, effectively preventing the indentation problem. A warning mechanism is provided for users to prevent missing rivets from occurring. After completing the preset work, the buzzer and light will be activated to notify the operator. NC618 has a PLC control system to automatically detect the status of the machine and formulate the corresponding troubleshooting methods in real time. A safe mold alignment mode is also available, which can be operated through a computer or a foot pedal. When a mold needs to be replaced, it can be done quickly and safely. NC618 ensures that the processing operation is safe, quick, and stable, meeting the needs of growing enterprises. Facebook search at YS 033127503.